You have studied about different type of polynomials in chapter 2. One type of polynomial was quadratic polynomial, and which is in the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. If we equate this polynomial to the 0, then we get quadratic equation. This will be what? Quadratic equation. Okay. So quadratic equation comes up when we deals with many real situation. Here in this chapter we will discuss some real situation where we use quadratic equations and methods of solution of quadratic equations. For instance, suppose a charity trust decided to build a prayer hall having a carpet area of 300 square meters with its length one more than twice its breadth. Length is one more than twice its breadth. What should be the length and breadth of the hole? We have to express this situation. See, so here it is given that length is length is one more than twice its breadth. So we assume here breadth as a one variable and write length in the form of breadth. See what we assume. Let breadth is equal to x meter. So length will be what? Length is what? One more than twice of breadth. Twice of breadth is 2x and one more means plus 1. And according to question, area of hole is what? It is given that 300 meter square. And hole is rectangular, so area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. And what is length? It is 2x plus 1. What is breadth? It is x is equal to 300. So 2x square, x into 1, x is equal to 300. Transposing 300 in LHS, you will get 2x square plus x minus 300. So the highest power of variable is here 2. So it will be what? Quadratic equation. So in this way we can express this situation in the form of quadratic equation. Now we will take another real time situation, and that is what? A cottage industry produce a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toys in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in the particular day. Means the cost of each toy is what? 55 minus the number of toys produced in that day. On particular day, the total cost of production is rupees 7,500, and the total cost of production on that day is what? 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced in that day. So here we have to find out number of toys produced. We will assume that let number of toys produced on that day that the number of toys produced in that day is what? X. And according to question, what it is given that the cost of each toy is what? 55 minus number of toys. So cost of each toy produced on that day is equal to rupees 55 minus x. And also it is given that the total cost of production on that day. According to question, total cost of production on that day is what? Rupees 750. So the number of toys is X and cost of each toy is 55. So we will multiply these two, you will get the total cost and it is equal to what? 750. एक टॉय का कॉस्ट इतना है, इतने टॉय से तो टोटल कॉस्ट ये होगा, बट क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि टोटल कॉस्ट कितना है? 750 रुपीज. मल्टीप्लाई दिस, इट इज 55x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 750. सो 750 को भी ट्रांसपोज कर लें तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 55x माइनस 750 इज इक्वल टू 0. माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 55x प्लस 750 इज इक्वल टू 0 will be the quadratic equation associated with this problem. Now in this question we have to check whether the given equations are quadratic equation or not. First of all we will simplify this equation and check whether the power of variable, highest power of variable is what? 2 or not. If the highest power of variable is 2, then that will be the quadratic equation. See, using a plus b whole square, it is a square means x square plus 2ab, to 2 into this is what? 2x plus b square, that is 1 is equal to 2 into x, 2x and 2 into 3 minus 6. X square plus 2x, 2x and 2x is cancelled. What is remaining here? Only 1. Transpose 6 here, it is plus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Highest power of variable is 2. So, yes, it is quadratic equation. Now see the next one. LHS remain as it is, x square minus 2x and multiply minus 2 by this minus 6 minus plus 2x. Now this is x square minus 2x, transpose minus here, it is minus 2x. 6 को जब transpose कर देंगे तो plus 6 is equal to 0. So what we have? X square minus 2x is minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now the highest power of variable is 2, so it is what? Quadratic equation. Now the third part of this question, equation is this, we will multiply x by this, x square, x by minus 2x, then 1 by x, it is x, 1 by minus 2, minus 2. X by x, x square, x by minus 1, minus x, 3 by x, 3x, and 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. X square cancel. What is remaining? Minus 2x and x is what? Minus x, minus 2. Here is 3 minus x, 2x, minus 3. Minus x, transpose 2x in this side, you will get minus 2x and minus 2 transpose 3 here, so plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Multiply by minus sign both sides. So highest power of variable is what? 1. So it is linear equation, not quadratic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. We have to check there whether it is quadratic equation or not. So what we conclude, this is not a quadratic equation. See the next one. Here it is x plus 2 whole cube. So we will use a plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So using this we will open it. So LHS is what? A cube means x cube plus 3 into x square into b plus 3ab square. A is what? X and b square. 2 square is what? 4. plus b cube, 2 cube is what? 8 is equal to 2 into 2x, x into x square, x cube, 2x cube, 2x into minus 1, it is minus 2x. See, x cube and here minus 2x cube, ये इधर आएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. सॉरी, b यहाँ 2 था तो 3 2 जा 6, 6x स्क्वायर एंड 4 3 जा 12x, लेकिन ये 2x इधर है तो ये आएगा तो प्लस 2x एंड प्लस 8 इज इक्वल टू 0. माइनस एक्स क्यूब प्लस 6x स्क्वायर, 12 प्लस 2 14, 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So highest power of variable is what? 3. So it is what? Cubic equation, not quadratic equation. So not a quadratic equation.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो